Wak, 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 wak. Ano yun, wak, wak? Akala ko wak, wak eh.
Lala, iipitin mo ata yung ducks eh.
Oo, yun talaga plano ko.
Mukha ng ducks nila, no? Tapos pundol yung ano.
Pundol, patula.
Ang ganda. Ganda nila. Lapit ka dito.
Wak, wak, wak,
Okay,
wak, wak, wak.
dalhin ka namin. Alagaan ka naman. Wala, nabali yung ano niya, pakpak. Buti pa yung mga ducks nakapagligo.
Oh, dami na isda pala.
Saan?
Ayan o. Chup! Yung duck sa munod yan.
Wala na mga fish dito.
Ay, oh my God!
Saan? Ay, kung lumipat dyan, baka maano tayo.
ducks are following us.
I know. Say hi.
Dapat nagdala tayo ng bread para lalapit yung mga isda.
Right,
The
Jaja?
ducks following. The ducks are following. Sabi na. Nakakatuwa naman itong mga to. Go, ducks, go. Come, come. We'll cook you. Roast duck. Oh, there's more ducks there over there. Oh.
Ducks are following us.
There, 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 there.
No fish already.
Oh, sorry, we're full.
No, we're full.
Tumatawag sila eh, pagsasakay. Look, 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 look.
Quick,
It's like
quick.
swan.
Hindi
like
lumapit
swan.
yung isda sa akin ba?
Baby swan. Baka na kasi kunin mo.
Ano ba na?
See, their legs are steady, but they're... talaga sila, oh. Hi! Ito na food.
It isn't bring.
You want to have a ride? Come. Come, you can have a ride.
They're following us. Makita eh.
You want Jana?
Yeah.
Hi.
But I didn't see fish. I want fish.
Your friend? Jana? Okay, you can jump here.
Buti lang maganda yung ano. Malamig yung tubig. Ang hangin. Grabe kainit.
Wala pa yata more eh. Kasi... Hindi pa nalaro
Ganda ng ano. Wow. Ganda ng hangin.
Oh, be careful! Where? The dog. Where? It's there. Hi,
Oh,
come
sorry.
here. Come. Why are you doing
No, 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 no.
here? Should I stop?
Hi.
Lalaki din ang isda. Oh. Saan isda yan?
Sa isda.
Yan oh.
Hindi ko talaga makita. Ay, ano, hito.
Dito? Ah, okay. Ito
Yes. Ah.
Hey, you can't move forward. Backward, backward.
There is fish.
Bye. Bye.
Ay, tilapia ata. They are following. No.
What if it's
They are thinking we have food. That's why they're following us. But sorry, we didn't